Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen, where we're all about cooking with style and sass. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury with a dish fit for royalty, lobster tail scampi. Trust me, you won't want to miss this one. Let's start by prepping those beautiful lobster tails. Grab your kitchen shears and carefully cut the top of the shell, stopping at the tail. Now flip it upside down and with your fingers crack the rib cage of the tail. This is going to help you open up the shell. Now open up the shell to expose the meat. If you see a vein, go ahead and remove it. It's all about presentation here, so take your time to make it look perfect. Remove the meat from the shells and chop it into bite-sized pieces. Set aside. Before cooking the lobster, let's add some flavor. Season the lobster meat with kosher salt and freshly ground pepper, both to taste. Let's melt some butter in a skillet. Butter, the unsung hero of any great dish. Once that golden goodness is all melty and delicious, toss in those minced garlic cloves and red pepper flakes and let them sizzle for a couple of minutes until they're fragrant and irresistible. Now, it's time to introduce our star of the show, the lobster. Add the chopped lobster meat to the skillet and let it cook until it turns opaque and slightly golden. Once our lobster is cooked to perfection, give it the VIP treatment, remove it from the skillet and set it aside. We'll bring it back for an encore later. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Once it's bubbling away, toss in pasta and let it cook according to package instructions until it's al dente. Drain the pasta and set it aside, but don't forget to reserve a cup of that pasta water. We'll put it to good use later. 2 tablespoons of butter. Pour in white wine and lemon juice, scraping any browned bits from the bottom of the skillet. Let the sauce simmer for 2 to 3 minutes to reduce slightly. Add the cooked lobster meat to the skillet with the sauce, letting it mingle and soak up all those delicious flavors. Once our lobster is happily swimming in that scampi sauce, it's time to introduce our linguine to the party. Toss that cooked pasta into the skillet with our golden lobster meat and sauce. Drizzle on that divine mixture and give it all a good toss until every strand of pasta is coated in flavor heaven. After giving it a good toss, sprinkle salt and pepper to taste, ensuring every bite is perfectly seasoned and balanced. Finish it off with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley because we're all about that fancy finish. And hey, if you're feeling extra fancy, go ahead and sprinkle on some Parmesan cheese. You do you. And there you have it, folks. Lobster tail scampi that'll make you feel like a culinary genius. So go ahead, serve it up, and bask in the glory of your kitchen masterpiece. And remember, if you want to recreate this dish at home, head over to kelvinskitchen.com for the full written recipe. Until next time, keep cooking with style and sass.